Here's a great deal on a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a CARFAX history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.